Go Login. The browser you ever need. Managing multiple accounts has never been easier. Introducing Go Login, the Antidetect browser that lets you create and run multiple accounts seamlessly. Try it now. Visit gologin.com on the main home page, click on the yellow button, choose your operating system, then click Download. Choose where you want to save the setup file. After finish downloading, click Save. After clicking on it, follow the installation steps. And start your browsing freedom on the internet with multiple accounts without getting detected. Take control of your accounts and maximize your productivity. Try Go Login now and experience the power of effortless account management. Go Login is the best browser for multi-accounting. Please, if you like this tutorial and software browser, don't forget to like and share it with your family and all your friends and followers, and subscribe for more tutorials, tools, and solutions. Zoom 4 Display channel is your window for new ideas.